Motorcycles are notorious for making a lot of noise when running. But have you ever stopped to listen to them when they're sitting silently in the garage? Like the sound of the brake pads ever so slightly grazing the brake discs when you spin the front wheel. Or the timely click when you pull the front brake lever, activating the brake light switch. How about the kickstand repeatedly bouncing off the stop as it comes to a rest after you flicked it up? And the procession of the fuel cap popping open with excitement, followed by the distant lock when closing it, and the distinctive chink from flicking the tab down. These are all such familiar sounds that you can probably hear before I even play them, and that you could identify with your eyes closed. The sound of the pin splitting as the key gets put into the ignition. The continuous train as the chain rolls along guides and around sprockets, although quiet in comparison to a dirt bike. The comforting sound of the throttle flicking back after being twisted as far as it can go to the stop. The satisfying tick as the passenger foot pegs are folded down and lock into position. Or the hollow sound that the gear lever orchestrates as the groove between first and second is found to engage neutral. And possibly even better is the solid metal clunk as it's clicked down into first gear. Then there's that odd frantic clang as the front foot pegs spring back into position after being bumped accidentally. The confidence-inspiring locking into place sound effect that comes when putting the rear seat back on. Or in my case, the entire seat. And finally, the ratcheting that's produced just by adjusting a cable-operated clutch. So next time you're alone with your bike in the garage, keep an ear out for what creative noises it can make while simply standing still. But anyway, let me know which noises I missed, share this video with a fellow petrolhead, and I'll see you on the next ride.